Making effective decisions is an 8-step process. Step 1 is defining the problem. What are the possible solutions? Why does the problem exist? And is this really the problem? Step 2 is identifying the factors and the criteria. What are the factors and the criteria related to the problem? And then you need to analyze and narrow them down. Step 3 is rating the factors and the criteria. You need to rate the factors in terms of importance. Rate by both the dollar impact and the monetary impact, as well as the emotional impact. Step 4 is, what are the alternatives? Consider the alternatives and their impact. Look at the dollar or the monetary impact, as well as the emotional impact. Step 5 is rating the alternatives. How would the alternatives impact your decision? That's the question to ask. Step 6 is, what is the best option? Evaluate the best option based on all the factors. Step 7, look at what could go wrong. Consider all the red flags about what could go wrong and how are you going to react. And step 8 is commitment. Make your decision and go forward with full commitment.